Happy 4th of July.
Fireworks like this.
Blowing off fireworks. Here they go. Oh, here they go. Here they came, here they went. Everybody there. Bago.
You know so many people that does?
This is an amazing fountain.
That's my mic.
These are good.
2 for 1 here.
My fountain's bigger than your fountain.
Oh, another one Larry does.
Yours is farther.
Genetics.
Don't make me break out my rubber candle.
It is well farther.
Been blowing these, mortars, firecrackers, all kinds of stuff.
Hey Jimmy, let's have a Roman candle fight. Our Roman candles versus your Roman candles. See who wins. What does that mean? They should do, right for the sucky one. Next year they should do a 4th of July thing at the field up here.
Ooh.
Yeah, everybody put your stuff together and blow it all up.
Ooh. Aw.
If you have a public gathering, you gotta have lights. Well, that's true, you're right.
Poof.
I was so hungry.
Poof.
Jimmy's put together a public gathering, and he doesn't have a license.
No, we just happen to have congregated here together.
Oh yeah, here it comes.
I got a fishing license. It's good in Florence, Alabama.
I'm down to like less than 10 minutes before I have to get in.
So impressor.
Impress me, Jimmy, with your.
You married him?
He is on a roll tonight. I do like your flag shirt. Where'd you get your flag shirt? It's not like.
No, Macy's. I'm sorry. I mean.
Okay, D circuit here, K circuit. She asked this about 3 hours ago.
That's how I asked about his hat.